Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin had a pretty solid weekly close. Not amazing. I mean, we wanted to see a break above 43,000, but this trend line where the price action has been getting rejected, the price action did barely close above that trend line. Now, 39,000's key level. If you do get some type of downside pullback, we're going to zoom in and see this actually be a bullish retest of this previous level. I like to see more volume, but you've got downside momentum as the histogram, right? When downside momentum decreases and then flips green, let me show you what happens. So here you got downside momentum, and when it flips green, again, huge run up. We'll go back one more time. All right, so again, you see the light bars, downside momentum decreasing, downside momentum decreasing. You get huge run-ups while this is happening. And so, I mean, potentially that is a possibility, could be setting the stage, but we're going to zoom in. We got to talk about what's happening in the stock market potentially tomorrow. I feel like that's going to affect this market. Do we get a healthy retracement and then continuation to the upside? Banging. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Bitcoin is at this resistance level. We talked about 68% chance of a break to the downside, and you've got it. Essentially hits almost the measured move, and I'll take you to the next chart and show you that. But what's happened is the support is now resistance and got rejected. So not amazing. We've had some downside today, but the alts have still tried to hang in there. Definitely you see the small cap altcoins trying to continue higher. This is the zoomed in 3-hour chart, and I've been watching this. Again, you've got the downside break, the bearish retest. So again, the measured move, not I picked it, but the measured move is down in this area. So if you get a retrace, like 40,000 would be a great buying idea, as long as you get the bounce. You know, you don't want to go down into 39,500, but if you get a pullback, and the reason why I think it's possible, and it really depends on the stock market, I'll cover that in just a second, it has to do with the SPX. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person made $33,900 on Kucoin. This person made $49,084 on Kucoin. Like, when these gem picks are banging, which they are, without question, this person 25x his money on Kucoin. The amazing gains happen in these small caps when they try to bottom, and they are trying to bottom. I'm having so many people join back. They left the group. The market wasn't amazing for 3 months. Now the market's taking off. Look at this. 105%, 25% in a couple hours, 80% in a day, 16% an hour after post, 49% in 3 days, 20% in 30 minutes, 35%, 107%, 71%, 37%. We're not making a ton of money right now in this market. I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Yesterday's video, I gave you SRK, SparkPoint. They have a ton of news. The breakout level was here, right? We talked about targets up in this area. Could SRK banging 32% gains immediately, like within an hour after the post. And then the retest actually came back down here, and you could have made another 20% out of the retest because it pulled back and bounced again. Amazing. So the concern is this: pre-market trading for the stock market, SPX, is red, slightly red. And we want to see what happens in the morning with this. But what's happening is the SPX has had this amazing run, and it's overbought. And so when this happens, a lot of times you do see correction, not immediately every time, but if you look here, So this is overbought. You follow this up here, and that's this price action right here, and you see move to the downside. All right, let's go back as another example. This is overbought, and right here you see downside move. Go back here, this is close to overbought, and this is overbought too. So let's scroll up here and see what you get. Not a pullback here, kind of move sideways, but big pullback here. So not every time does it mean a pullback, but a majority of the time it means a pullback's in store. And then you've got this overhead resistance. So the stock market, SPX, looks like it's going to essentially run into this resistance and get a healthy retrace. I mean, you just had this amazing run up, double bottom, get a healthy retrace for upside continuation. Makes sense from the SPX. And so how does that affect Bitcoin? Does Bitcoin follow? Bitcoin dominance. This could be huge for the altcoins. When we talked about this double bottom previously, we said if this breaks out, the altcoins are going to bleed at 30%, 40%, 50%, and they did. They got hit so hard. These gem picks are only gem picks until they roll over, right? Well, now it looks like you possibly could get a bearish retest. If this drops lower and trends lower, you can midterm hold a lot of these altcoins if Bitcoin acts right, and you can make a ton of money. This is going to be the easiest trading you can make, easiest money you can make in crypto when this thing is trending lower. Altcoin seasons happen when this is trending lower. Ethereum Classic. Okay, look at this. Things are different. Ethereum Classic, of all coins, Ethereum Classic had a 52% run up. Why? Because it just ran out of room. It ran out of room. That's all there is to it. Now, Litecoin's in a falling wedge. And I mean, potentially, if these larger cap coins start taking off, if you guys remember altcoin seasons in the past, you get a big move out of Litecoin. You might see $165 Litecoin. Now, can you get another move lower and then this build like this ascending triangle? Sure. But when this breaks out, you're looking for $165 Litecoin. But what most people want, and what most people watch this video for, is they want the bangers, and we got one coming. Look at Binance. I mean, you got all these little look at the market caps: 78 million, 71 million, 73 million, 101 million small cap coins. 70, 78, 91, 5 million. Small cap coins are banging right now. It's small cap, micro cap season. Period. 49%, 49, 26, 23, 19, 18, 15, 15, 12, 11, 11, 11. Go to Kucoin. Same thing, small caps. 80%, 34, 30, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 16, 16, 15, 15. There's like pages and pages and pages of double-digit gainers. The next Kucoin gem pick banger is DPET, DPET on Kucoin. You got this rounded bottom, rounded bottoms pay the bills. When this price action breaks this level, I'm looking for an explosive move to the upside. You could see 39 cents, 43 cents, 46 cents, even 49 cents out of DPET. This is 30, 40% gainer. This is on Kucoin, gem pick banger. If you're not on Kucoin, there's a link in the description that supports the channel. You want to be in the right coins, period. DPET. Let's go. Banging.